Yeah, so very quickly, let me give you a bit of a recap. So we started off this course by taking a look at how websites work. Next is I showed you some sample of websites and the different types of sites we have in general. So talking about web app, talking about corporate sites, talking about e-commerce sites like Jumia, Amazon, and then we went on to buy our domain name and our hosting and SSL certificates, which are like our foundation in building a WordPress site. And when you have that, you'd log into your cPanel, which stands for control panel, and that's the place that manages everything about your website. In that same place is where you set up your WordPress. WordPress, as I explained, is like a software that now powers your domain name, which means when you install WordPress on your domain name, that domain name is now being powered by WordPress, and you can build it, you can edit it, you can modify using WordPress. And from there, we went on to install our very first WordPress template just to show you how it works. I also walked you through where to find WordPress templates, which is primarily themeforest.net, this very site here. It's like the world's largest place to source for templates. And I also showed you the different things to consider in choosing a template. The number one is take it for a spin, see whether it fits see whether it fits your purpose, whether it works for what you have in mind. You need to have something in mind in selecting a theme so that you will not have so much edits to do. And once that is done, I also taught you how to check the review, check the pricing, just to make sure that your theme is perfect, because $69, $59 is a lot of money to spend on a theme that would not fit what you need. So take your time to make sure that you choose the right theme. Take it for a spin like I am right now. Check out the different pages. Does it fit? And once that does, then you download. Right now I'm on my Envato account for scrutiny. So if I come to download, you can see the list of themes that I've bought in the past, on this platform, and these things are running into like a couple of hundreds of dollars. Right now, what we're going to do is I'll briefly introduce you to e-commerce websites. They are pretty much sites that you can buy things on. It's for trading. I'll start by previewing this particular theme. This same theme that we have on our site currently is called Salient. It is one of the themes we call multi-purpose WordPress themes, which means that same theme can be used for a corporate site, it can be used for a food blog, it can be used for anything. They have several demos, what we call demos in them. All right, and in this case, you can see it has a blog, it has for business, it has shop. I would want to see the shop demo of this particular template. All right, let me see which one I like. Okay, this is e-commerce shop. Let me preview this. Okay, look at that. Winter, Seattle winter jacket, shop now. And then you can see the products. Just like this site we mostly buy things on. If I go to shop, I can see based on categories, casual shirts. Let me click on casual shirts, for example. See, it has the filter by the left. I can select, okay, maybe I want a different kind of shirt, which looks pretty nice. If I see a shirt that I like, for example, I can click on it and see the pricing, see the detail, and even see extra pictures on it. And if I want to buy, click how many I want, then add to cart. So this is a pretty decent theme, which I'll be using to teach you how to build an e-commerce site. The main thing that makes e-commerce what it is it deals with selling of products, which means you need to have a product. You need to, of course, know the name, the pricing, and the description of the product. You need all of that detail for your site, and then you need a payment integration. So this is just to introduce you. The next thing I'm going to do is I've already shown you how to download a theme. So we already have this theme installed on our domain name that we're using. So I'll just go on to WordPress and switch the template in the next video. All right,